channel Mr. Fact. Today I will explain you the concept of matrices. So let's see on the blackboard. In part 1 I have explained up to example 4. So in part 2 I am going to explain from example 5. So let's see on the book. Construct a 2 into 3 matrices whose elements are given by Aij equals to I minus 2j whole square upon 2. Here we have to construct a 2 into 3 matrices. Means number of rows are 2 and number of columns is to be 3. This is the 2 into 3 matrices form A21, A22, A23, A31. Sorry, this is the required matrices. So here I will construct a 2 into 3 matrices by this. Here we have to substitute the value in this the required matrices. A22, 2 minus 2 into 2 whole square, this is whole square upon 2. 2 minus 4 upon 2 whole square minus 2 whole square upon 2 equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. A23, 2 minus 2 into 3 upon 2. Here I have made all the matrices in this form. So this is our required matrices: 1 by 2, 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 0, 2, 8. So now let's see on example 6. Here we have to construct 2 into 2 matrices. 2 into 2 matrices. A equals to Aij, where Aij equals to 2i minus 3j upon 2. So let's see how we can do this. This is the question. And here we have to construct a 2 into 2 matrices. Means number of rows is to be 2 and number of columns are also to be 2. A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the required form of the matrices. And here we have to substitute the value. A stands for rows and J stands for columns. So we have to substitute the value accordingly. 2 minus 3 upon 2. This is the sign. In this sign stands for either negative is in the inside, but we have to make the answer in positive. Minus 1 by 2, but this sign is there, so the question is so the answer is minus 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2, in fact 1 by 2. 1, 2, 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 upon 2 minus 6 by 2 equals to 2. A21, 4 minus 3 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. A22, 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2 by 2. 4 minus 6 by 2 minus 2 by minus 2 equals to 1. 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 1. This is the answer and required form of matrices in this form. Now let's see example number 7. In example 7, these are the values and we have to find the values of x, y, z. This is the question. So let's see how we can handle this question. These are the values we have given in the question. Two matrices are equal only when they are of same order and corresponding elements of two matrices are equal. If both the elements are of same order, means both matrices are of same order. Rows is also 2 and number of columns is 2. In this also rows is also 2 and number of columns is 2. So their corresponding elements are also equal. X plus y equals to 6, 2 equals to 2, this 5 plus z equals to 5, x plus y equals to 6. Here the value of y equals to 6. Here oh. X plus y equals to 6, 5 plus z equals to 5. Here the value of z equals to 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So value of z equals to 0, and now we have to find the value of x and y. From this equation we can find the value of, in terms of x, y equals to 6 minus x in equation 1, x plus y equals to 8. This is given because corresponding elements are equal. We can substitute the value of y equals to 6 minus x in this equation 2. 6 minus x equals to 8. 6x minus x square equals to 8. Minus x square plus 6x minus 8 equals to 0. X square minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. And if you are not having any idea how have to find the value of x, so please let's see. This is 8. Here we have to make the factors of 8. Factors of 8 is 4 into 2 or 2 into 4. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. Factors of 8 will be the addition of this middle term. X minus x minus x, we will take from these two terms, we will take x common, and from these minus 2 common. X minus 4, x minus 2 equals to 0. Value of x equals to 4 and 2, and we can substitute the value of x in y. Y equals to 6 minus x, y equals to 6 minus 4 equals to 2, and y equals to 4. So let's see next example number 8. Number 8, if these two elements are equal, find the value of A, B, C, D. So let's see. Two matrices are equal only when they are of same order. These two matrices are of same order. Here number of rows is equals to 2 and number of columns is 2, and these are all also of the order 2 into 2. So let's find the value of A, B, C, D. A minus B equals to minus 1. So value of A equals to minus A plus B. And 2A plus C equals to 5. 2A equals to 5 minus C. A equals to 5 minus C by 2. 2A minus B equals to 0. 2A equals to B. From this equation, we will substitute the value in this. Here 2A equals to B means we can substitute the value of B equals to 2A. A equals to minus A plus 2A. A minus 2A equals to minus 1. Minus A equals to minus 1. A equals to 1. A equals to 1. B equals to 2. C plus D equals to 13. 3C equals to 13 minus D. From this value of C equals to 5 minus 2A. We can find the value of C from this 5 minus 2 into value of A equals to 1. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Value of C equals to 3. Value of D, 13 minus D equals to 3C. 13 minus D equals to value of C equals to 3, 9. Minus D equals to 9 minus 13 equals to minus 4. D equals to 4. So let's see another one. Now I will tell you the addition of two matrices. Find A plus B if A is equals to this and B equals to this. A equals to 1, 5, 3, minus 2, 4, 7. B equals to 2, 1, minus 4, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 3. A plus B. 1 plus 2, 3 minus 5, 4 plus 6. We have to add these corresponding elements of two matrices. 5 plus 1, minus 2 plus 4, 7 minus 3. 3 minus 2, 10, 6, 2, 4. This is the addition of two matrices. Second one, A equals to sin square theta minus cos square theta, secant square theta 1. B equals to cos square theta minus sin square theta minus tan square theta 0. Addition of two, A plus B. Sin square theta. Here also we add the corresponding elements of two matrices. Sin square theta plus cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta. 1 plus 2. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Here we will take minus common in cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to minus 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is the matrices. So thanks for watching my video. Let's see in the next video. Till then, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And please subscribe the channel. If you want to get the notification of my latest video, please quickly subscribe to the channel. So till then, goodbye. Thank you.